So, hi everyone, I welcoming you. And in the last video, we will talk about CYD ESP board, and we found out more detail about type of MCU, peripheral component, TFT touch and driver, also function of each connector pin I/O. And now we're gonna try out to programming the ESP, show something in a display, also in a touch screen, and more we will also use LVG library, that kind of library for display for more advanced outlook graphic. And well, so don't further ado, let's check this out. So first thing first, I assume that you have already installed Arduino IDE, and other things, also several board included SP32. And I think there will be no problem with that, so we'll just skip it. But if you haven't yet with that, you can follow the manual that I will put in the description, so that will guiding you to doing some installation. Now we're going to testing the board with this program Hello World. It is preparation to make sure the board ready to be programmed. After installed, in a serial monitor will show this message. It is mean we ready to play with the next TFT display. And for TFT, we will use TFT SPI library, and so we have to install it. After installed, then maybe most a user will be have troublesome place for common user. So when it's happen, you have to doing like tricky step. Just copy setup a file from folder has available. Then you go to library TFT installation. delete the original file setup, and then replace by control paste with alternative file. And yeah, but you don't need this all step if you don't have some kind of issue after you install that library. Well, one important step is we have to setting that adjust the pin according what pin has this dedicated for display and touch screen. So for that we will find in a schematic, and keep in mind to check kind of your serial board because many CYD board in the market have different type and also use a different configuration as you see here. And as I told in previous video, driver TFT only can find by checking in a schematic and will use to set configuration setup. Now open the setup, and defining what kind of type of driver LCD according with the schematic like here, and also set the width and height in a pixel. Make sure using right pin, then in a line 126 turn on LCD backlight by activated uh, the sketch code. So we just done with setup setting. So now I'm gonna try out to programming with rainbow TFT code. And yeah, you see, I think the TFT LCD can running well. And the upcoming video we will try use LVGL like I told before. It is kind of library for display, and Yeah, I think it's enough. Uh, I still, as I usually, I still waiting for your thumbs up, and see you in the next video.